work on 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. The factory radio gone bad. Backup cam works, but no audio, so customer decided to put on Android radio. So let's see how it goes. The factory radio display comes on, reverse cam works, but no sound. So we're going to change out the radio with an Android that will give him a Carplay Android Auto, Netflix, YouTube, reverse cam. Everything seems to be coming on, but no sound. So we're going to change out the radio. The first step we're going to do is we're going to take out the air vent on both sides, and there will be 4 screws on it, and the radio comes out. I already have it partially out. You're going to need to use a panel popper or some sort of tool to remove the air vents on both sides. Comes out pretty simple like that. And there are 4 screws there holding onto the radio, 2 on each side. Remove them. Once you have them out, you just pull out the entire face of the radio. Radio will pop out. A little snug, but it comes out. Then disconnect all the harnesses behind, along with the antenna adapter and the USB connections as well. There is a little locking clip in the middle. Push it down, then the plug comes out. Just got to push the middle pin downward and pull hard. I already have some of the plugs out, so we're going to have to use the clips on the original radio to the new radio. So put it to the side. This is the new radio. I have a link on the description below, and you can get it from Amazon. Just be careful. One with an amplifier, one without. So make sure you get the right one. This is a CAN bus module behind the radio. Everything that comes with the radio is plug and play. So it comes with a USB adapter that enables the factory USB connections, along with antenna adapter, backup cam integration. The brown box is a CAN bus, and you may want to remember what the name of that CAN bus module is, because if you want to go to the settings, it's going to ask you what CAN bus name of the CAN bus you are using. So you have to put the name, manufacturer's name, on the settings in order to change some settings on it. So this is a CAN bus module. So pretty much everything is all plug and play. You don't need to cut any wires. That enables the steering wheel control, backup cam.
This car has premium sound system.
Premium sound, the Infinity Premium sound. And there is no speaker wires on the back of the radio. Rather, it's a preamp out. So you're going to have to use audio in and out of the RCA that will provide the audio signal. So that's the audio in and out, and along with backup cam. The yellow is backup cam, red and white is audio signal. And it's labeled audio in, audio out. So you just simply plug it. Only part it did not work. 2 things didn't work. When you put the gear in reverse, it didn't trigger the backup cam input. So we're going to have to hardwire that to the fuse box. I'll show you later where we got the wire from. That is the reverse input, the little white plug on the left, and that one that plug has a brown wire where reverse cam trigger wire gets connected to from the fuse box. Since it did not trigger, the CAN was supposed to give you a backup cam input, but it didn't. This is how we did it. The control on the wheel didn't work, and also reverse cam didn't trigger either. So I'll show you how we can fix it. It shows the heater control, but nothing other than heater control function is going to work. So to get that control to work on the steering wheel, you have to go to the settings, factory settings, look for the steering wheel control option. Then you have to learn individual buttons one by one. Then at the end, you gotta save, and the control on the wheel will work. Forgot to show you that, but that's how you do it. Go to settings, factory settings, look for the control on the wheel, steering wheel control, learn individual buttons. This is a fuse box under the dash, and there is a red black wire on the top left corner. That is the reverse cam input, which is the reverse light trigger output from the fuse box. So run that wire to the back of the radio, connect that to the brown wire on the 4-pin white plug on the left. So everything, as you can see, plug and play other than the backup cam. It works. Again, I forgot to show you how to control how to set the steering wheel. You just go to the settings, factory settings. It's going to ask for the code. Most Android code will be 8888. Look for the steering wheel option. Push one of the buttons on the screen. Then let's say it's the volume up.
Look for the steering wheel
You push
control
the volume
setup.
up button on the steering wheel to learn it. And at the end,
Save
you
after
save.
learn.
So everything is working. Double check, make sure all functions are working, including the Carplay Android Auto. In order to do Wi-Fi, you have to connect your hotspot from your cell phone over to the radio so you can watch YouTube or Netflix. Thanks for watching.